Sanibonani bafethu, sanibonani ma-Afrika mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu, your host, Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis, Shuffling Diski Ringers. This episode was brought to you by eBetJets. Click the link below to register and use Jabu 11 to get your 125% first deposit, sports bonus up to 1,000 Rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 Rand sports bonus bet. JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register ku-BetJets bafethu. Sihlafuna nje kancane indaba ze-CAF Champions League. As sazi nani ukuthi ama-first leg adlale kanjani. Mamelodi Sundowns was playing against Al Ahly. Score was 0-0. And the Orlando Pirates was also hosting the Pyramids FC, and the score nakhona sigcine nge 0-0. Sense mfana angazi ubone kanjani mfethu lama game lawa esibuya kuwa first league. Abantu abaningi bathi because both teams abakoranga la ekhaya, bathi it's a disadvantage. But mina personally, yes, it is a disadvantage. Ukuthi ama team wala ekhaya, iSundowns nePirates azikoranga ekhaya, but also i0-0 it's very tricky also for the away team, because manje mabafika ngale lama team kuyomele manje azoba ne crowd yabo, so kuzomele vele ba-attack iSundowns nePirates izobe mhlambe zona i-approach yabo izoba ukuthi hey guys asishayeni mhlambe nathi i-low block nyana and wait to catch them with counter attacks. Asicale ngayo iSundowns ne Al Ahly. Ucabanga ukuthi iSundowns izo-approach kanjani le game, because first half Sundowns dominated ball position, but Al Ahly for the first time ngibona ama team wase North Africa ku semi-final adlala away angadlali that low block le, yabona le bajwayele ukuyidlala le baze bayenze nama bathi time wasting ngoba thinta bawe bebayenza, but they came to play. Both these Egyptian teams, they came to play like South Africa, and they were dangerous against both of Orlando Pirates ne Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, nami ngibulise Jabu, Sibusiso Mahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on JMTS. Jabu, Champions League isifundisa okuningi mfethu. We are football people, but you learn uzoyofa emhlabeni.
Yes.
And for me now, watching both games, sicale ngayi Sundowns njengoba ushilo. Yes, we dominated the game. Unfortunately, we could not score.
Yeah.
And that's the most important thing. These teams, they play in job. We all anticipated that they will play a low block.
Yeah.
Bazo play their dirty games, Balogo Bawa, and do all those things just to buy time. But it was not the case. They created chances. They played the game. The game was nice to watch.
Yeah.
It was a proper game. It was nice to watch, and we all enjoyed both games actually. So AS Sundowns, my brother, the only disadvantage that I think we have is that we did not score, and going that side, it's going to be difficult. Ukudlala kuleya crowd layer. Leya crowd layer is their 12 men. Uyazi injani Al Ahly. So I think mina we do have a chance. We do stand a chance because abakoranga labantu labo. So the advantage is that even if we go there and play maybe a draw 1-1, because I think we will get a goal. One way or the other, Sundowns will get a goal. Now they might score. If they score, if we score 1, they must score 2.
Yeah.
So that's the advantage that we have.
Yes, that's what. Yeah.
So sinai advantage. You with one club, I don't think they can score 2 goals. Let's get 1 goal, and I see Sundowns scoring.
No, but ama-stats mfethu kumele ngiwavule.
Yeah.
Yabona we-game Sundowns ne Al Ahly mawuchecka la the whole 90 minutes, okay, Sundowns ibe na total shots 8 and then against 11 as Al Ahly, and shots on target 3 for Al Ahly, good 90 minutes, 0 go Sundowns. It's a big worry for me. For a team enjenge Mamelodi Sundowns playing at home and no shot on target.
Yeah, it's a big.
It's a worrying factor.
It's a worrying factor, but it tells you with these teams they play. In fact, they know how to play. The coach yethu uCarlos ngishilo nakulo ntuzana first game ukuthi I'm a bit worried ngaye mina ukuthi khona he's not giving us lento besishota ngayo of which uRolani did. We always dominated teams, but ukora, especially kuma semi-finals nama finals, teams plans baya play nama bafika laphi. So we need something ukuthi how do we score, how do we break lelo ntuzana, because they become so compact mabalapha boxing, so it's difficult for us to penetrate. So we need a coach ezoza neplan. That is why we will always go back to uRolani ukuthi uRolani bese kusele kancane, because nayo lento ayenzayo Carlos 73% ball position.
Yeah,
Rolani was doing that.
But ucoach futhi
so lo masimletha manje besimlethela ukuthi ayithathe a step further ayiphakamise kancane sikore.
Yeah.
But manje athina amalontuzana ama stats, we did not even have one shot on target. So it's a big worry njengoba usho. But mina ngithini, we will get a goal.
Because I mean even Al Ahly kunale bhola elishaya ipali uRonwen belimdlile elenhloko.
Yeah.
So they were coming to take the game from Mamelodi Sundowns, and ucoach ukhalile mfethu kuma fans we Sundowns after the game ukuthi he was expecting ukuthi kuzogcwala because uyazi ukuthi eCairo and eCairo ukuthi kuyoba njani, and actually Al Ahly ibacelile ngale because now I think beyifayiniwe bebangavumelekanga kwamanye ama game. If you remember when they played against Orlando Pirates, when Pirates beat them eCairo, they had only small crowd because ngathi bebabafayinile, so they were not allowed ukuthi bagcwalise stadium. But kulokhu I saw it bacelile ukuthi bacele full capacity and it's been approved, so kuzobe kubovu eCairo kusasa
12 men
kuzobe kubovu.
There are 12 men.
Mari Sundowns mdlala mina ngithi inayo i-experience bafethu
playing
yokudlala lama game. Yes, I know ukuthi for the past few years they've been knocked kuma semi-finals vele. uRolani naye bamshaya kuma semi-finals I think twice.
Yeah.
Or let me just say iSundowns baphume twice previously kuma semi-finals, azange badlule kule stage. No, mina personally nami mdlala I think iSundowns they must just make sure ukuthi baba composed and they don't open up kakhulu, because these guys they are funny because mabadlala away ungacabanga ukuthi abekho mnandi jo mabadlala home futhi kuba ngathi it's a different team ngathi abanye abantu bavele bahlanye ngenye indlela, so it's going to be very difficult but very interesting game. But ukhulume enye point ebalulekile sense engipick upile ukuthi for in a very long time kuma semi-finals sibona i-team eyangaphandle Orion Al Ahly challenge Sundowns, because remember when we look at the stats going to the previous game, Sundowns have dominated Al Ahly.
Yes.
They won four games. They drew 3 in 7 games. Seba throw 4 manje ngale isibuya kuyo. So I still feel ukuthi nami Sundowns can come with a 1-1. A 1-1 scoreline there, and 1-1 will be good enough to qualify them to the finals. That's my take.
Yeah, when for me, I think Sundowns will need individual brilliance.
Yeah.
They need their talisman, Ribeiro, to come to the party.
But Ribeiro, in fact, even now PSL, and it's not the Ribeiro we know.
Yes, that is why we brought him here. He must step up. You must not perform much. These are the games that we want him to play.
Or
big player for big games. He must show his good ones.
Yeah, because he didn't show up the way. actually ku-Champions League he hasn't scored.
He hasn't scored. That's what I'm
He
talking
hasn't scored
about. That's what I'm talking about.
And he's a contender for me for a play of the season like
yes.
but he need mele lapha
He needs to
ku-Champions
show
League.
Champions League, in fact. Maybe that's why, because he comes from Belgium. I think he was playing in Belgium.
Belgium nase France udlalile.
Yeah, so kusho ukuthi yena when stakes are high, it does not show up.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah. So he must show us. He must show the South Africans what he's made of. He must step up kule game le. Uyadingeka. Everyone has been talking about Ribeiro in the PSL, but manje la simdinga khona, he's not showing up, and that's a concern for me. Ribeiro, he must show up in future, and he's their talisman in future. Messi, we know Messi will show up. Big game, Messi will show up. So where's our Ribeiro?
That's a good question. But also we must give it to Al Ahly ukuthi bamplenele kahle because they didn't benze sure ukuthi they close all those pockets la Ribeiro aba strong corner and also la Sundowns futhi ibamnandi corner because they allowed Sundowns to have the ball. That's why Sundowns they had 73%, but that 73% mawubheka score line it's a different story.
Yeah, and the coach, you see why you must respect other coaches. They know how to plan. So the coach with Sundowns, we are the strengths of Ribeiro and my weaknesses work. So what he should do now, sit down with the player, watch the game. Ayibukele naye. Ambonise ukuthi labantu laba strong la ba weak la. When you have the ball, do this because mostly Ribeiro when he gets the ball, ukatha in. Because it's obvious he's left-footed, he'd want to go in and try to combine. But when he tries to do that, go blocked.
Yeah.
So do we have a plan? What do we do when it's blocked? It's blocked very lappi. And you can't do it's blocked. What must he do? He must come up with a plan. He's the coach. He must watch the game and come up with a plan for the player.
And the players, they must
and
also
the player
watch
himself, he must watch the game, a plan in how do I kill this?
because this is a big one too.
It's a big one. For instance, decide, and for me, I still say Ribeiro can win this game for Iluntuzana. Obviously, Shalulilo Mfana is one of those that will always score. He's a fighter. No Reynas is a finisher. But for me, Iluntuzana, Ribeiro must step up.
So uyayibona ukuthi kusho ukuthi leya performance leya against the Kaizer Chiefs because they were very slow kuma build up. Sikhulumile sathi Chiefs they were very organized. Bayazi ukuthi okay laba bengeke vele nathi siba dominate asivaleni lama pocket. So if Al Ahly can come with the same approach, Sundowns uzoba nawo ama answers na. Because it by the look of things, ngathi Sundowns more value lama pocket lapha phakathi and allow them in kulama space wangaphandle ukuthi badlale ngathi abana plan.
Exactly, mfethu. Exactly. That's what I saw. That's what I know. Ribeiro, there's no way he's never gonna go down the line.
But he can change.
So he needs to change his game and be predictable.
Yeah.
Because now everyone can see he cuts in, he wants to combine, or he will try to get that ball behind Iluntuzana. Once that does not happen, he's out of the game.
So sesivala le Sundowns mfana Cairo uzobe ready. Uthini uyibona kanjani? Siyabuya laphana.
Siyabuya mfethu 1-1.
1-1 lapho. Phela nge-1-1
siya qualify. Yeah.
1-1. Namnyavuma ngikwazi ukufavor zase-Egypt. Hayi angeke. Noma ngithukile.
Yeah, mara
nginovalo because akusile Sundowns le enginikeza confident le ukuthi hayi yabashaya. Yabona. So it's going to be very interesting mentally and physically. The match the Sundowns they need to be well prepared. And then 1-1 scoreline.
Yeah.
So Sundowns yaku final.
Sundowns yaku final.
1-1.
Yeah.
1-1.
1-1.
Hayi 2-1.
1-1.
1-1.
Yeah.
Bafethu.
Wona uthi 2-1.
Mfana ngiyazi ukuthi it's a different ball game manje for Sundowns because nabo Sundowns baye laphayana ba referile to the previous stats ezokuthi alaba for the past 7 games before that game silibele siyabashaya and Stroweka yi3 sibashaya yi4 but manje I'm sure now with the sebacabanga ngenye indlela after the performance njoba sishilo ukuthi Al Ahly they never sit back ngaleyo ndlela the way besicabanga khona they really came to play. So I'll say 1-1 namfana ngamba nawo nge 1-1.
Ngoba the approach of the game now for Sundowns is this. We don't have to go at them. Bona they need to get a goal. Not we need a goal, but Bona they must come out
more.
Because if we get a goal, then it means they must get 2. So they will definitely come out. Because tini chance yethu yokuthi sikore ekhaya we did not score. But what we did best is that azange nathi siconcede. So it's good.
Okay.
Yeah, so as score nearly 1 and then we see what happens with them. Once we score 1, bazophuma even more. Then we'll get 4 behind.
Then ke asiye ku Orlando Pirates ne Pyramids. I-coach Pyramids mfethu before that the first leg ku press conference bengicabanga ukuthi mina uyashashaya. Yabo makathi hey thina ningasifanisi namanye ama team awase North Africa adlala ama low block and delaying tactics, ama fouls and ukuraselo ugcwalela ureferee and distract nje igame. Tina we play football and nabo against the Orlando Pirates mfana kithi yo
they played.
Hayi mfana no bengenza leyo game abathi labachita bebeza lapha. Bebeza uyibona kanjani le Pirates because it's the same scoreline. So it's the same scoreline Orlando Pirates 0-0 against Ile. Pyramid Pirates made approach kanjani le game dlala because in terms of experience Pirates don't have experience is a Sundowns what Sundowns have ku Champions League. It's a fact. But le ntwana lezi as a DDC as a Pirates ama 2000 ama Cocomelon le ntwana lezi ziphakamisile isandla and they managed to beat Al Ahly away from home Cairo kuma group stages. You understand? And everyone was saying Pirates abana experience le ntwana zincane nami bengathi angeke bafike. I said it mina ukuthi bazofika ku semi-final, but when they were playing against Al Ahly bengibanikeza ichance encane and they came up with a victory eCairo abomfukeng nabonkota and the combination yaka Mahupa, especially uMahupa umfukeng nonkota, these three especially ku CAF Champions League game, that's why bamcala kakhulu uMahupa ama game Champions League. And bengimangele mina na kule game le first leg ukuthi why bacale ngumabasa, but ngazitshela ukuthi okay ngoba mhlambe badlala ekhaya uyabona mana lento ukuthi lo clinical lo uyabona in terms of finishing mhlambe bazo create lawo ma chance or 1 or 2 chance lo a finish, but it was not the case. These guys they were taking the game from Pirates. So what should be the approach manje Orlando Pirates nge team yentwana le and what they've achieved already for mina ba achieve okukhulu mfethu ku Champions League to be where they are.
First of all, I'd love to say I'm happy that these boys are playing in Champions League. Gule age abakuyo. Number 1, they are learning a lot, and it augurs well for South African football because they are gaining a lot of experience from these games. And I think the mental strength of going to Egypt, udlale gulama crowd lawo would help Ibafana Bafana going forward. But asiko kuBafana Bafana, let me talk about bona labafana bancane, all of them from emuva umbokazi uqinisile iBackline Pirates asikhuluma it's not easy now to score against the Pirates.
Yebo.
So that's the advantage esinayo again. That's another advantage that we have. Going forward, these boys, these attackers will definitely get a goal now. One of them will get a goal because they're skillful. 1-on-1, they can skin you. The pyramid is and they will also want to come out. So we will get a 1v1 situation. Trust me. The only thing that we need them to be clinical because I see game also 5-6 chances. You might get that one chance. Generally, fist on Mayele, walhitela phezulu. Lama games anjalo. You get one chance, you need a clinical finish. So njengoba usho ukuthi bebaqale ngomabasa And I think uma basa is a clinical finish. And I think nalaphi ababuyele ngayo.
Hayi.
Neither one chance.
Hayi ntwana, hayi kufuneka
Ufuna
umahopa.
ayola sebenza.
No, kufuneka uwarra.
Yeah.
Kufuneka uwarra. Hala, kufuneka uwarra ukunotice mdlala vele. Uyenza kahle ema away game kucala uwarra angayimushi.
No, I know uqala yena.
And why ngithi uwarra because kulama long ball umbokazi bekawashaya ama diagonal pass bekawashaya.
Yeah.
Bewaya kunkoda and umabaso couldn't read that ukuthi yena ibhola malingapha kumbokazi mele yena aze ngapha so that makashaya le diagonal kube uye uyabona ozolinka ozolwela lela bhola alwini then liwele kulabafana and umahopa ku champions especially ku Champions League look at most of their goals. He does that very well. So umabasa akadla ama-ice kancane. Akadla ama-ice kancane kulokhu warra. Sifuna warra. It's amara. Manje score usibona kanjani because I think iPirates enye into mdladla ayifani le team i-team encane. Le team lena yango 2008 iPyramid. And iPyramid ayina the crowd iAl Ahly nayo eEgypt. Angeke istadium sigcwale. Into engicabangayo I'm not thinking ukuthi stadium sizogcwala njenga Al Ahly because ama team ane crowd lapha iZamalek ne Al Ahly those are ama team ane crowd because there was an interview when these guys kuma quarter final when they won 4-1 at home iPyramids bashaya Rabat 4-1 ucoach wabo came akwatile blind ukuthi they never got any coverage from Egypt.
So abathatha seriously yahlapho ngale.
No, njoba ngisho ngithi yango 2008 le club. And imagine ngapha number 1 ku league yabo currently I think bekiwi 4 points mangibheka. Ba leader nga 4 points iAl Ahly. So akusi team in a crowd. So based on that, I think mini Pirates at least angeke kufane. Bane chance based on that.
So what's your scoreline lapha?
Yeah, scoreline sami laphayana ngoba lezi nazo zibe ziwashayile ama warning signs mdladla.
Zifikile epalini.
Yeah, zifikile epalini. Yes, bekwama offside. Yeah, bekwama offside. But zifikile epalini zaba i-threat ku Pirates and I'm sure Orlando Pirates manje they will make sure ukuthi they don't allow lama crosses because mawungabheka lama threat lawo aze by allowing ama cross you must stop that cross from there or make that player uncomfortable ukuthi across a free because once ubayeka ungapressi lapha then it becomes a problem lapha. So that's I think iPirates mangayenza lokho mangavala lama cross lawo ukuthi angangeni lapha then ama chances walaba azoba less but it's a team that plays iPyramid mdlala.
So Tina going forward how Tina ukuthi sithola igoli silithola kanjani mfethu? Do we go and approach attack vele we are going
we can't
or we sit we watch them?
No, we must watch them.
Test them on a counter or something.
Yeah, we must sit and watch them ukuthi bazangani because I mean they came attacking FNP. Clearly they can't be sitting back Egypt.
Yeah.
They will come even more. So it goes back to Lento Ishilo nange Sundowns. Once you get that chance, you udinga manje mental strength sama player.
Yeah.
Speed, skill we've got. They are more physical, but they also have those individual players abane skill, but not jengad. Tina sne speed. We must use our speed and catch them on the counter and make sure ukuthi siba more compact and siba clinical. So nayo le game le ngifuna ukuthi 1-1 mara ngazi mdlala. Iyangazi mfitha ngazi.
But you know my worry about playing a game of waiting for the opponent to come at you is that lentona lezi are ball players and they're going to get bored balogo ba chase balogo ba shifter the whole game. That's where experience comes in. labantu bangale-Egypt bayakwazi ukuyidlala vele leyo game leyo where they can wait for you baloko ba-chifta the whole game and catch you on a counter. But with these young boys, do they have the experience, the mental capacity to say, namhlanje I'm going to play a very bad game whereby I'm not going to have the ball. Namhlanje, maybe they might keep the ball labantu laba, but I'm going to wait for my moment. Because the game my moment, when it comes to me, I must do something. But I'm not going to always have the ball.
Yeah, I think it will be that kind of a game. And they must be prepared to suffer.
The coach must prepare them.
Yeah.
They must be,
yeah. And so far, they've done that well from Guma group stages, Mabadala away. Yeah. That's why they are still unbeaten. Yes. Go Champions League, Orlando Pirates. And it's not easy to score against them, home and away. So, ingabanikeza that advantage now. So, now it's in Ibambing. Inzima mfethu inzima. Inzima mfethu lama team angithusile la wase-Egypt mara ngeke ngikwazi ukuthi ama team asekhaya azodliwa ungala senze. Hayi lama team angithusile bana kulokho. Hayi lokho. Echelsea kulokho siyabuya bafethu kunzima ukupredicta bafethu. Hey ngiyafuna ukuthi Pyramid inga upset the Pirates but hey angisile onhlobo yepende mfethu. Angihamba ngamabhakaniya bafethu. Hayi 0-0 nabo. They will get an opportunity mfethu then they will score. Uthini wena cala ntwana score?
So ishaye 2-1 ntwana.
2-1.
Clean 2-1. Siyawina straight.
Pirates 2-1.
2-1 Pirates.
2-1 Pirates.
Kamnandi siyadlula.
Hey madoda inzima le prediction ya this week. Hey mina ngithi ngizobaniki 1-1 nabo.
Sedlula nge-1-1.
Yeah.
As long as udlula.
Yeah, ngizobaniki 1-1. So ngizobaniki 1-1 ni Pirates ngizobaniki 1-1. I think yeah, bazolithola ichance ukuthi bakore. They must just be clinical. So 1-1 Orlando Pirates against Pyramids. Pirates will go through and Sundowns will go through 1-1. Scoreline.
Danko.
So bafethu ama predictions wethu bafethu
Sikaqedi baba.
Yeah.
Stelis baba.
Stelis. Okay, first is gena ku Stelis sidlala ekhaya. Ba consider last minutes igame sezoya ku first half. Yeah. But in lapse of concentration and critical phases of the game.
Yes.
So nabo i-team intwana mabacala i-Confederation Cup they lost 2 games in a row. Ngazitshela ukuthi hayi vele because i-team intwana and in a squad sabo asikho abana i-depth le efana ne-Pirates ne-Sundowns abanayo but they changed things around. Mdladla after losing 2 games they showed character, they showed their mental strength le intwana and they managed to get out of the group stages and they managed to beat Zamalek away from home and score away from home go quarter finals to reach the semi-finals. So I think it's going to be very, very tough for them because nabo manje bagijimisa igoli and ngapha kumele bangaconcede. So I think they can win 2-1. So maba wina 2-1 kwenzakalani?
Bawinile. If we 2-1 good at home la.
Yeah, kuba i 2-2.
Then iyadlulile team le enye because they would have scored ekhaya. So with that away goal izobadlulisa. So if bona bafuna ukuwina kumele bashaye 1-0 then maybe it will go to extra time and
so mele bawine 2-0.
Mele bawine 2-0 kahle.
Yeah, but yeah, unfortunately it's very tricky. Ngizothi 2-1 mfana to iSimba.
So iyadlula iSimba.
Yeah, I think iSimba in a chance mfana. Ngiyazi ukuthi kunzima mfana. Yeah, but yeah, ibhlungu nalento engishoyo mfana. But yeah, iSimba iyadlula 2-1.
Mina ngithi 2-0 ntwana iyadlula iStelis.
Okay, no, it's fine. Bafethu, those are the games as a CAF Champions League second leg ezizayo and the CAF Confederations Cup, and those were just our small analysis, no sense, and our predictions for the game. We hope for the best to all the 3 teams as South Africa. It's not going to be easy. Keep subscribing, like, share, and hit that notification bell. to get all the latest updates ezeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringers bafethu. Danko siyabonga, powered by iBadgets. Please bafethu register na ku Badgets. Please siyabonga bafethu. Danko
Ntwana.
Showcase.
Sizo.